Hi guys, in this week's top crypto news for realtors, what's going on with the largest stablecoin Tether? Is it stable? There could be a crypto bill introduced in September. If you own an NFT, your ownership rights may be limited. In this week's crypto news for realtors, I'll cover these topics. I'm Rich Hopen, the creator of Crypto News for Realtors and a real estate broker with Compass in New Jersey. Throughout the week, I monitor crypto news in major news publications and crypto publications. I listen to crypto podcasts. I follow crypto influencers on social. I sift through all of it and write a weekly newsletter with about 1,000 active subscribers and a 73% open rate. I write the Crypto Corner for Inman. I give crypto presentations to real estate offices around the US. And now I'm taking my best crypto content and making YouTube videos. I do this for 3 reasons. Number 1, crypto is complex. It's fascinating and evolving quickly. And I believe crypto is going to change our economy and it's going to change real estate. Second reason, it's early days in crypto and I want to position myself as a crypto leader in my real estate market. And 3, I want to share what I'm learning so you can be the crypto leader in your market. But before I jump into this week's news, if you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on the crypto news. So let's get into it. Crypto investors looking for assurances. Tether is taking its time. It's been a long, painful summer for crypto investors, and one lesson has been taught repeatedly: investor beware. In 2021, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, settled an enforcement action against Tether for falsely claiming that its crypto tokens were backed by US dollars. Tether paid a $41 million penalty. Knowing the type of reserves that back up Tether would be extremely valuable for investors. And one way to do this is through a financial audit. Tether, the largest stablecoin, has been promising to provide an audit since 2017. However, it has only provided an attestation of its reserves and liabilities. An audit can provide a much better look into a company's financial condition, much better than an attestation. And according to a Wall Street Journal article, there is only, quote, a thin cushion of equity, end quote, and a 0.3% drop in assets could make Tether insolvent. Senate committee hearing in September on crypto exchanges. Crypto publication The Block reported that the Senate Agricultural Committee is drafting a bill that will be discussed at a hearing in September. The bill establishes that crypto exchanges will report to the CFTC, but given the upcoming midterm elections and the likelihood of the crypto bill becoming law this session, that's very, very slim. It's basically not going to happen. However, the value of the hearing is for this content or this bill to become part of a comprehensive crypto bill that is likely to be introduced next legislative session, which will begin January 2023. Who owns your NFT? Alex Thorn of Galaxy Digital said that NFT holders may not own the intellectual property rights of their NFTs. Instead, that would be retained by the NFT creator. In a comprehensive report by Galaxy Digital, which examined NFT license agreements for the top NFT collections, Galaxy Digital concluded the following: the vast majority of NFTs convey zero intellectual property ownership of their underlying content. Many issuers, including the largest, Yuga Labs, appear to have misled NFT purchasers as to the intellectual property rights for the content they sell. Only one NFT collection in the top 25 by market cap, World of Women, attempts to confer intellectual property rights to the purchasers. The Creative Commons license renders NFT ownership obsolete from a legal perspective as it moves the intellectual property fully into the public domain. Without improvements in the on-chain representation and transfer of intellectual property rights from NFT holders to NFT token holders, the expansive vision of Web3 will remain unrealized. Wow, that's pretty significant news from Galaxy Digital. Well, that's it. That's it for this week's news, but I did want to talk about one more thing that's been on my mind. For 30 weeks, I've been writing about crypto. The news is always interesting, and writing about it educates me or reinforces what I've already learned. And I'm happy that others are writing and presenting to agents about crypto. However, I'm often puzzled by the style and approach of a handful of entrepreneurs who are trying to bring crypto to real estate. After being immersed in this nascent crypto industry for about 10 months and witnessing the massive disruptions inside the crypto world, anyone predicting how real estate will utilize crypto is either deluding themselves or simply trying to convince you to buy their service or take their class. Crypto and real estate assets are driven by macroeconomic conditions. Accurately predicting the economy, real estate, or crypto is not possible. Be wary of the crypto entrepreneur who shows you a roadmap or timeline of crypto adoption by home sellers, buyers, and agents. Instead, educate yourself and do it at a comfortable pace. Every week, I give you the news highlights and links to learn more. I'm also available to answer any questions that you have. If you'd like to find out about this week's top crypto resource and influencer, go to my blog by clicking on the link below. I also answer one of the hottest crypto questions in Washington. Is crypto a security or a commodity, and why does it matter? If you have any crypto comments, any questions, write them below. Or as I mentioned earlier, feel free to reach out to me. So stay crypto curious. It's still early days and there's plenty of time to become crypto savvy. And if you have any questions about real estate in New Jersey, reach out to me. I'm here for you. I'll see you next time.